green and yellow mix mint green. Next, red and black mix brown. Next, blue and green mix teal. Next, black and white mix gray. Next, yellow and red mix orange. Next, red and blue mix purple. Next, blue and yellow mix green. Next, red and white mix pink.